Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to talk about the non-random sampling, and in particular, I will be illustrating some examples related to this type of sampling. The first one that we have here is the snowball sampling. And to start off, I'm going to just give you the idea why is the name given as such. Why is it called snowball? So untuk lebih faham, apa kata kita lihat bagaimana sebenarnya kita nak membina a giant snowball as this one. So cara yang mudah untuk membina snowball ni adalah dengan cara kita bina snowball yang kecil. And then kita akan golek-golekkan snowball ni so that nanti dia akan gather lah all the snow. So dia akan membesarkan diri dia. Okay, dia sendiri boleh besarkan diri dia. So sampai satu keadaan dia akan, bila kita golek lagi lama, lagi banyak, dia akan jadi lagi besar lah. So that is the idea, the easiest way of making a snowball. Now, bila kita bercakap tentang snowball sampling, kat mana selalunya kita apply? Where do we apply this type of sampling? So this type of sampling is usually applied when you want to study a sensitive topic and not many respondents are willing to come forward. I'll give you an example. Let's say you are interested to study the health issues of sex workers or faced by sex workers. Obviously, this is a sensitive topic. It's not easy to get respondents to participate in your study. Therefore, what we can do in these circumstances is that you can start off by having one respondent first. So mungkin your first job is to find only one respondent. You start off with having only one respondent, and then you can grow your sample size by asking this respondent to recommend her friends that are also doing the same business. Okay, so that way your sample size here will grow and you will get enough respondents, hopefully. So that is an example or a scenario that illustrates the idea of a snowball sampling. Alright, next is the convenience sampling. So the name itself is quite self-explanatory. Basically, convenience sampling means you are sampling the subjects, you are getting the sample from the population according to your convenience. As an example, this guy is getting his samples at a marketplace. Convenient, right? Because there are a lot of people there. You can just hand out your survey for them to answer. The same thing if you go to the mall and hand out the survey, that is an example of convenience sampling. Or if you go to the cafe in university and hand out the surveys to the students. So that is also another example of convenience sampling. Okay, the next one is purposive sampling. So it comes from the root word purpose. Ada tujuan di situ. Jadi this type of sampling is usually to get expert knowledge. So it is very specific. Only limited people have access to this knowledge, for example. So in that case, the sampling done will be a purposive sampling. Okay, now for us, for statistical inference to take place, so now recall that our course here is about statistical inference. So what is statistical inference all about? It's about making decisions about the population. You want to make decisions about this population by using a sample. So you are going to use a sample. Now, in order for this to be conducted properly, you have to understand that the sample required here must be random. So the sample here must be in this category and not this one. Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching.